guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are having a look at the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. We're going to do an unboxing, and after the unboxing, stay tuned because we're going to take it outside. As you can expect from Traxxas, the box is looking good. All kinds of different views with and without the body on, some techno babble, the different colors that the car is available in. But without further ado, let's get this stuff unpacked and see what's in the box. First of all, a package with some paper. I think those are spacers for the battery, something else probably for the battery compartment. We've got a nice set of good tools, some stickers from Traxxas as usual, and a ton of paperwork showing you stuff about how to vent the tires, the user manual, and all the stuff that we are used to receiving from Traxxas. Now, for the good part, let's have a look at the car. We got ourselves the white and orange variant of this car. It also comes in blue and I believe in red. I'd say this would be a 1/7 scale UDR as compared to the original size of the one-on-one version of the truck. It measures out to be 1/7 scale. But before we get into the truck, let's have a look at the controller. In the box you'll also find the TQI transmitter from Traxxas, in which of course in the back of it you could put the Bluetooth module so you can be working with the telemetry also. But now let's get back to the truck really quickly because this thing is awesome. It is huge in size, it feels really sturdy and has a ton of scale details. Let's have a quick look. Right here you can see the two usable spare tires sitting on top of a faux engine. Right in front of that you can see an actual usable drive shaft and the fire extinguishers and fans for the cooling system. Awesome decals all over the car as well. The UDR comes with some really nice suspension right out of the box. It feels very plush, and we'll see later on when we take it outside for a little bit of a bash how it performs. When we look under the truck we can see some double wishbone suspension on this four-wheel drive unit. On the back side, of course, on the back axle is a straight axle mimicking the original UDR. The suspension front and rear is just absolutely awesome, and we cannot wait to take it out for a spin in a few moments, so stay tuned. Man, look at this travel. Double shock suspension, not only in the front but also in the rear. This rig runs on a 6S LiPo, so we got some 5200 mAh LiPo 3-cell batteries to put in, and putting them in and getting everything closed up again can be a little bit fidgety, but probably that's just because we're doing this for the first time. But now that we've got the batteries in and shown you where they go, we can have a quick look at all the LED bars also installed on this rig. As you can see, the rear LED bar also has a brake light function and is always on when you turn the lights on, and in the front we can see we have a top and a bumper LED bars also. Actually, on the bumper we have a double row of LEDs. So actually, for a straight out of the box, this car has a lot of different options already installed, making this a really cool rig. Traxxas has also put some time and effort into the cabin. As you can see, we have 2 drivers in there and a lot of different details on the dash. And lastly, we are going to show you very quickly a size comparison with the TRX 4M, just to give you a little bit of idea of the scale of this rig. And now we are going outside. Big shout out to my buddy Chris here for leaving the UDR in the box until we had the time to make this video. Awesome. Right off the bat, we immediately noticed that the UDR sounds great, it handles well, and the speed is actually up there, so very happy about that. One thing that we discovered as sort of a negative is the fact that the suspension seems a little bit springy and just a little bit too tight, possibly, which makes the car a little bit tippy and jumpy when you're going over some different obstacles. But that is nothing to worry about because, of course, the front and rear suspension are adjustable, so you can adjust this to your own liking. But enough said for now. Let's just sit back, relax, and have a look at some footage that we got for you guys. And we'll see you back at the end of the video after you also get some footage from the drone. end of this video. We hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.